Let's make smoky patty jollof. So first, I start by greasing my tray. I go in and add my tomatoes, peppers, ginger and garlic, and I grease them as well with vegetable oil, especially the garlic, so it doesn't burn. So I add them into the oven. This will help my jollof to smoke very well. If you do not have an oven, just wash your tomato, blend them, cook them and fry them. So if you put the tomatoes and peppers in the oven, you are going to have part of them burnt like this. So I start blending my tomatoes. I already fried my chicken, so I'm going to be using the same oil I fried my chicken with to make my stew base for the jollof. So first I start adding the seasoning cubes, bay leaf, onion, nutmeg, rosemary and thyme, as well as curry into the oil. This would help me build flavors. After which we stir and stir very well. Possibly do it on a low heat so your seasoning does not burn. Right now I am going ahead to add my tomato and pepper mixture. I'll go ahead and fry till it tastes nice, because your stew base needs to taste nice for your jollof to taste nice. After which I'll be adding in my chicken stock. As my stew is boiling, I go ahead to wash my rice. I wash it severally until the water runs clear. You can see in this first washing that the water was so cloudy, so I wash and wash till it runs clear. And I do not parboil my jollof rice because the rice has already been parboiled from the factory. I am going in with my rice right now, and I also use very little water while making my jollof, because jollof is supposed to fry, not boil. I will be adding in more water gradually while I cook. So I am going ahead to add the foil paper over my pot. If you are cooking smoky patty jollof, you need this. It would help trap in moisture and as well help your jollof to be smoky. So occasionally I will turn the jollof and as well turn the pot around, because what I'm cooking is a very large pot of jollof, so I need the fire to get round the jollof rice so it can get done. So you need to turn your jollof occasionally. Also, it helps it burn and makes it smoky. So once my rice is ready, I go in to add butter or vegetable oil, and I cut some onion and sprinkle around it. After the onion cooks, I go ahead to mix everything all up. So I go ahead to make a hole in the middle of the jollof rice so it smokes even more. And I just turn my jollof rice very well after that. And my jollof rice is ready. Oh yeah, make sure now bring plate. So thank you guys for watching. See you in my next vlog. Till then, bye.